Roger, make yourself a good one, man. I'm back in the clear. 28.
Hello, 200, can 750 wave 2. Hello, 200, 750. 200, you 750 on a wave 2 now.
750, what do you think about that?
I think it's a big signal. That's what I think about that.
You said you think it's a big signal? That's what it is right there for you. Come on down.
Checking that. I can hear 200 out there. But yeah, switching between 28 and 200. But you're still doing it, man. 28, I've just got my 50-watt driver, so I've got to wait for the right time to key. I'm just keying with my 50-watt radio. 50 watts is all I got. 750, and the 50 is the 50 watts there.
There. Hello, Squid 28 right there, right back. Hello, 750. You got some company in there too. When you go up the key, I heard Squid 28 right there, right back. Say, come on. Alright,
yeah, Roger. I probably can't get it in there with the Squid, but I'll try it anyway. 28, 750. I'm pushing all I got. That's all I got is a 50. So let's see if I can mix it up too. 750. Yeah, 750 on the 50 watts is all I got.
Squid, standing by. Yeah, Squid, right there, right back. Hello, 70. I heard Rubber Ducky in there too. Squid, 28 says aloha.
Hey, I don't know if I can mix it up, but I'll try it anyway, man. Alright, tell me if you can hear me. 28, 750, 750. Just want to see if I can be heard one more time now. 750, go on.
St. Blonde flanking around beautiful Melbourne. 28, I'll be back on the slide. 5. Catch you later there, 750.
You catch you later there, Rubber Ducky. Quack, 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 quack.
750, I'm on the side there. Bye, 28, bye, good time gang in the Highlands. We'll put on you a little later and we'll catch you some other time. What for what? Hey, 28, what for what? I'm standing by. Oh, 10, take care, Rubber Ducky, is all you that time around. Rubber Ducky showing up real nice.
Yeah, check, I hear you, Super Squid, 750.
Yeah, right on, 28. Alright, man, take it easy. Thanks for that. Thanks for letting us know that we're loud. You're certainly loud and proud also there, 28. And, no worries. We'll work it on tomorrow. I'll see you now. Bye. 410, Rubber Ducky, you're a bad man. You put it down there right there with that bulldozer. No, don't pay no strain, man. Put on you later, Ducky. Always a pleasure now. 70 aloha, 28. Station on the side. I'm back down reading on this mail. Hey, 28. And I'm gone now. Aloha.
Honolulu, 750. Can hear you, Honolulu, 750. Tune in.
750, Maui County now says aloha.
I still got you too, 28, 750 on my 50 watts now.
Aloha.
I think we might be, I don't know if that's the end. Maybe we're losing conditions, but that was good, man. That was unusual for this time of night, so it's been good while it lasted. I don't know if they're going to hang around, but we'll see how that goes. 750, we'll just hang around for a bit longer.
750, 28 says aloha.
Aloha, 28, 750. You're still in there, 28, 750, go on.
That sounds like Mother Nature. Looks like we're down to losing conditions right around the county of Maui. 28.
Alright, 28, yeah, conditions gone now. 28, you take care till we do it again. 750, we'll be saying goodbye and hello next time. 28, 750, we'll be on the side now.
Yeah, you're still showing off though, but it sounds like it's kind of fading, but you're still showing off.
You said word for word. I still got you word for word, but it is about to start to get rough, man. It is getting rough, but I still got you in there word for word, but I don't think they'll last much longer. So I'll put it down now, man. It's only 50 watts, so we can't expect too much. All right, 28. Do we do it again? 750. And all the other boys around the grass until we do it again. 750. We'll be waving now. Aloha.
Oh, yeah, man. We say a hoo-hoo, man, until we meet again. Well, the 50 watts is showing up real nice in the patch here. No pain, no strain, man. 750, yo, 28.
28. Still got you. I don't know, man. I don't know if conditions are. It's a bit of a tease, man. I don't know if they're coming or going. It's kind of dropping out, but it's still in there, man. Still in there. So if you can hear me, that's it's pretty good. All right, man. Must be was it 10:15? It's 7:15 here and 10:10 there. 28 750 with the 7:15 wave.
That radio over here, man. Take here, 750. 28 cruising. Little driver on the mini grass.
28, I see you, man. I'm going to go 10.6. I think that's the end of it just about. Man, I don't know if there's anyone else out there, but I'll just speed 10.6 anyway. All right, 28 750. We're going to put it down, man. We're going to put it down, and we'll do it again next time. Take care, 28. And anyone else in the grass, you can still hear me out there. He's 750 with the 50 watts is all I got. 750 on the 50 watts. He's gone.
Squid. 28 with the big wave. I'm back down on over.
All right, 28. You take it easy, man. I'm just telling you, still blowing smoke around here there, that like that. 28. Big bad squid down south. 28. I'm back on the side listener. No, 28. Take it easy, man. Good to hear you coming out this time of day there, 28. It's been a long time hearing you guys coming out this time of day. Got to be nearly 10 o'clock down your neck. It was nearly 10:30 there, 28 there, bro. Oh, looks like it's dropping.
Yes, yep, down to me as well. There, Squirt.
Mate. Yeah, no worries there, 28. You take it easy, man. Yeah, it's a bit like that 750, only come out barefooted. Just want to check on the conditions out there. I'm down and by.
Oh. Conditions are there, man. They were definitely there. 9 dBs there.
Yeah, right. Yeah. 10.4 now. I just got home, man. I just flicked it on and I was quite surprised. I was just listening to it there.
Yeah, I just got home too, man, from work. Just flicked it on, just talking local, man, and then heard a couple of stations in the background. I thought they were pulling my leg. I didn't think they were in the grass. And then I, just local talking. I just said down under, and they said, "Oh yeah, down under." So yeah. And then after that, all the other boys came out there, Roger.
Down under 2545 Honolulu. Down under 2545 Honolulu. Aloha.
When you come out of nowhere, 2545, I've got to get it back. Hello, 2545 is 750. 2545 is 750. I want to wave at you now.
Check, 750, man, top of the evening, man. I heard you talking out there to 28 in Maui County. Hey, 750, out here, 2545 with the evening wave. Aloha.
Oh, and it is the evening. Hey, I'm doing the 7:15 wave, and you're doing the 10:15 wave. Yeah, I'm just talking to 28, and Squirt's there on the side as well. Obviously, no doubt you'd be able to hear him. All right, you're doing a 9 dBs, man, so conditions have shifted to you. 25:45, it's your turn now, man. It's all your turn. 750, I said that.
Check, man, 750, and I think that was Squirt out there. Well, you guys have a good evening? Man, conditions looking real good in the evening time. 4:45, out here. 2545, come on.
Check. It's another 9 dBs. All right, 2545, 750 will be 10.6 listening. 750, you're down on the station on my 50 watts is all I got, and I'm gone.
Yeah, check. It's sounding real good, man. Hey, 750. Hey, Hey, 750, man. It's sounding real good. Aloha.
Check. You trying to get that Watergate going? Yeah, Roger. I'll try one more time, man. I'm not sure if it sounds like you're trying to get the Watergate, but we'll try it one more time. 2545. Is that a Watergate you're trying to get going there? 10-4?
Yeah, check. I'm not sure if it sounds like you're trying to get the Watergate, but we'll try it one more time. 2545. Is that a Watergate you're trying to get going there?
That sounds good, man. Yeah. No worries at all. All right, 25.45, man. You're smoking right about now. I've got the Watergate going too, man. I'll be putting it up on YouTube soon, so I've got the Watergate going as well, and you can check it out and you can hear yourself as well. All right, 25.45, 750. I've got the Watergate going too now, or the video gate going, I should say. 750 standing by.
Yeah, check that.